Oh God, it's like wafting around. Oh, why am I doing this to myself? Hi, my name is Scott. I am an American living in Australia. And today I'm going to be trying Australian snacks. So first, I've got, I think, 6 different snacks here. I went to my local Woolies. You know what, let's start out with something pleasant. I guess most of these are actually pretty good. Tim Tams. Now, I've heard a lot about these. Even my my friends in America were telling me that I should try these. These are like an Australian staple. These Lamingtons, I was saying Lemingtons, they're not Lemingtons, they're Lamingtons. Anzac cookies and some other stuff that we're going to be getting into today, but this is a quintessential Australian sweet. So let's give it a try. Is this what it looks like? I got the double coat. I was at the grocery store and I asked somebody, I was like, hey, what's the, because there's a big debate. There's a huge debate. Comment down below what your favorite Tim Tams are, or Tim Tams? Okay. Yeah, there's a huge debate on which flavor is the best. I went with double coated because I've heard that this is the best for like dipping in milk, which I don't have any milk, but whatever. Let's give it a go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna give that like an 8 out of 10. That's really good. It's like crunchy, and then it's got the chocolate. I'm trying to think. It almost reminds me of like a Twix bar, like Twix, but like less crunch, less like nougaty. All right, yeah, that one gets a 8 out of 10. Okay, I've gone and I've gotten milk. So, and this is like really, really good milk. They have like, I guess we might have it in the States, but I feel like the milk here is creamier. Like there's actually like chunks of cream in it. I thought I was disgusted at first. I thought there was like a glob of rotten milk, but it turns out it's actually good. But I figured let's give this one more shot with the milk. I'm gonna take a little bite, try to get milk in there. Cheers. Oh yeah. Oh, I've been talking like Spanian too much, but boys, that is hectic. That is actually really hectic. That's like, with the milk, 9 out of 10. Easy, easily. The double coat, the chocolate, fantastic. All right, on to the next treat. All right, next up we have Twisties. Twisties cheese. I've never had these before. I've seen them. I've tried, like, they have some different potato or chips. They're called chips here. French fries are chips, and also potato chips are chips. Super confusing. Anyways, yeah. So I got some Twisties, and let's see. I got the original like cheese flavor. They have a bunch of different flavors, but this is the classic one. So look, oh, see if you can see that. They look like Cheetos. Oh, these might be cracker, let's say. Yo, these are Cheetos. What? What is this? What kind of alternate universe is this? Guys, they're good. They're not bad. They do have that like really like artificial taste. And I've been eating like pretty clean lately, so I think I taste a lot of that. But like for a chip, they're pretty good. But they're basically just like lighter Cheetos, almost like they're baked Cheetos. I could see, like, I'm not in love with this flavor, but I could see how like the texture is good. I could see how with another flavor, again, comment down below if there's something else like another, like the best flavor of Twisties. But I could definitely see like a different flavor being good. Yeah, Cheetos. I give these like 6 out of 10. All right, pretty good. All right, so we just tried the Twisties. Now we're going to be we're gonna go from sweet to savory as best as I can. This is a quintessential Australian treat. I've had these before, but never on camera, so. But these are phenomenal, and they're called lamingtons. I've been calling them lemingtons. Please forgive me, my Australian friends. I'm sure somebody's gonna correct me in the video before this, but anyways, yeah, lamingtons, they're phenomenal. They're basically like, it says an Aussie classic made with soft and fluffy sponge with a chalk and coconut coating. Basically, it's like sponge cake with a chocolate and coconut coating. Really good, like, and also a super like Australian treat, like very Australian. Basically the same as like Tim Tams. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, very, very spongy, almost like Twinkie texture. I think they have, yeah, they have Twinkies here. Okay, cheers. Yep. Oh yeah. You can see like how fluffy and white the inside is. There's really like, I think some of them come with cream in the middle. This one's not one, but that chocolate coating's really good. The coconut's really good. Like, I love coconut. I love like German chocolate cakes. So I would say this is like kind of like a German chocolate cake, sponge cake. Oh God. Okay. All right. That's it. That's it right there. I got to give it to you guys. You guys have really good treats. Next up, we're going to be doing. Let's see here. Next up, we're going to be trying shapes, but not just any shapes. The Vegemite or Vegemite or I don't know. I think Australians just say it with an accent. The Vegemite and cheese. Now, for my non-Australian friends, Vegemite is like fermented yeast. It's really, really popular here. People love it. Kids love it. I don't understand it, but we're gonna give it a try. So let's see. I've heard these are actually good. Like, I've heard these have like a light Vegemite taste to them. So let's see here. I got the little baby packs. So what's up? Chocolate on my hands. All right. And they're shaped like Australia, which is cute. I really don't smell it. You can see little Australia. There's actually like a Tasmania one in here. It's kind of cute, but all right. Okay. No, there's a lot of things happening. There's a lot of things happening right now. Off top, good. I would say like the chip itself almost has like a Cheez-It texture, like a thicker Cheez-It. And also, like, I think that's what they are. I think they are like cheese things, like cheeses. Definitely getting that Vegemite in there, but not too strong. Vegemite's like really salty, so, but this just has like a dusting of Vegemite, so not too bad, to be honest. Now I want to find the Tasmania one. Anyways, I didn't rate the Lamingtons. Lamingtons, 9 out of 10. For the shapes, Vegemite and cheese, I'm gonna give these, I would say these are actually better than the Twisties, which that might be controversial. I might start a war here in Australia, but I would say these are way better than Twisties. So I'm gonna say 7, because I gave Twisties a 6. So not horrible. Would I get these again? Actually, I might, to be honest. Actually, I might. So with that, we are coming towards the end. We have 2 more treats. The last one, you guys already know what it is. But this is Cadbury Cherry Ripes. Now, apparently, when I was at that museum, you guys have probably seen that museum vlog by now, they had like an exhibit about these, and that made me get these, because apparently these are like a super popular Australian candy bar. I really like Crunchies. Crunchies are phenomenal. I haven't had one since I've been here. I've been trying to be good, but like, oh God, Crunchies are good. So, but yeah, I've heard good things about these cherry ripes. Let's give it a try. It says luscious cherries and coconut in old gold rich dark chocolate. That's not actually. That's one way to market something. Sounds good. That's what it looks like. This looks like a chocolate bar. Cheers. Right off of the bat, I'm gonna say that I'm not in love with it. Like, I don't think I would get this again. It's, can't see the inside. It's basically just like a creamy, like cherry cream mixed with coconut. It's good, and if you like cherries, like if you like cherry flavored stuff, because it has that like artificial cherry flavor, if you like that kind of stuff, this would be great. But for me, I really don't like cherry stuff, especially like cherry candies. Like, you know, when you get like a box of chocolates and then like one of them has like a cherry in it. I've never liked that chocolate. So personally, I think this is like a personal thing. I guess all of it is, but I wouldn't get this again. I would give this like a 4 or maybe a 5 out of 10. Not good. Not good at all. But that's just me. Please don't come at me. I love you guys. I love Australia. Okay, and last but not least, the one thing I'm not looking forward to, Vegemite. Oh, Lord. As you can see, this is a used bottle here because my family eats it. They love it. They love it so much. Yeah, actually so much that it's like almost gone. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but okay. Okay, all right. Unfortunately, oh God, it's like wafting around. Oh my God. Again, like I said, for people who don't know what Vegemite is, it's a fermented yeast. I think that should tell you enough about like what it is. It really is, I think, an acquired taste. It's one of those things where like if you grow up eating it, you're like, oh my God, this is fantastic. Actually, I got pretzels, but I have a way better idea. Let's take the Vegemite and cheese and oh God, okay. Oh, it's so smelly. I can smell it. Oh. Anyways, let's see. Is there anything extra? Apparently, it has a lot of vitamins. That's good. Australian owned, yeah, yeast extract and then salt. Okay. Oh, it's suitable for vegetarians. I would hope so. All right, I'm delaying this. I'm trying to delay this. Okay. Let's do, you know what? We're going to go big or go home. That's a fat dollop. That's enough to put on like an entire slice of bread. The way you're supposed to eat this is you like take a piece of toast, butter it, and then put like a thin layer of Vegemite. So this is a fat serving of Vegemite. Why am I doing this to myself? Okay. Okay. I think. Right. Also, oh my God, it's so salty. Oh my God, it's so salty. I think where I also messed up is I didn't get anything to drink. I have nothing to drink. So this is just, and it like stays in your mouth. Like it like, even after you drink something, it just sticks because it's this really, like, as you saw, it's really thick. Oh God. It's like old bread. I don't know how to describe this. It really is one of those things that like, I don't know how to convey this to you. I think the number one thing I can say is it's very, very salty, like extremely salty. That's why you really only need like a little bit. Like that I put on, and granted as a lot, but excuse me. The amount that I put on that chip is like almost enough for like a slice of bread. Now my family, they'll just like, Be like, oh, I want Vegemite and cheese. Keep that stuff away from me. Not my favorite. Yeah, just really salty and like kind of like tastes like if you've ever smelt. What I imagine if you basically like if you ever brewed beer or like made beer or like left beer in a bottle or like we bread in a bottle. I don't know what I'm trying to describe. Not good. Not good. This is, I love you guys. I love Australians. I love your culture. This is one thing that I don't know if I can get behind. I can see how you would like it. I will say that. I can see how it is an acquired taste because it is really salty and like there's a really like, it's very savory, which is nice, but it's just like the taste, the like when you breathe out of your nose, oh God, that taste that you get is just so not okay. It's been around for 100 years, so congratulations. Okay. All right, guys. Well, those are all the Australian snacks that I have for today. I know that I'm missing some like Scotch fingers, Anzac cookies. I didn't want to blow my load, so to speak, all in one go. So I'm going to go back eventually, sometime in the future, depending on how well this video does. Probably I'll go and get some more veggie or no, not more Vegemite. More snacks, different other Australian snacks. Maybe try like a kangaroo burger or a kangaroo hot dog or something like that. But yeah, if you guys have made it this far, thank you for watching. I'm happy that you guys could watch me suffer through the Vegemite, but the rest of it, like, oh my God, the Tim Tams, oh, so good. So anyways, thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in, okay, the camera's really far, in the next one.